To make $150 a day, freelancing is a versatile option. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Whether you excel in writing, graphic design, or coding, these platforms allow you to market your skills effectively. Most freelancers charge between $20 to $50 per hour. By dedicating 3 to 5 hours a day, you can easily reach your target of $150. It's a flexible and rewarding way to earn. Another viable option is remote customer support or virtual assistant work. Many companies offer part-time or flexible hours for these roles. Websites like Belay, Fancy Hands, and Upwork are great starting points for finding virtual assistant jobs. Typically, these positions pay between $15 to $30 per hour. By working around 5 hours a day, you can achieve your daily goal of $150. It's a stable and consistent income source. If you have expertise in subjects like math, science, or English, online tutoring and teaching can be lucrative. Platforms such as VIP Kid, Cambly, Preply, and Chegg Tutors connect you with students worldwide. Tutors generally earn between $15 to $30 per hour. By dedicating a few hours each day, you can reach your $150 target. Teaching English to non-native speakers is also a popular and rewarding option. Affiliate marketing is a strategy where you earn commissions by promoting products. You can share affiliate links on a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Start by signing up for programs like Amazon Affiliates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. While it may take time to build an audience, once established, you can earn over $150 daily. It's a passive income stream that grows with your online presence. Content creation on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging can be a profitable venture. By building an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Although it requires time to grow your following, successful creators can earn $150 or more daily through brand deals and ad revenue. It's a creative and engaging way to make money online. If you have a knack for sales, remote sales and lead generation could be your specialty. Focus on high-commission products and use your skills to close deals online. By securing 1 to 2 deals or booking a few appointments daily, you can easily reach your $150 goal. It's a dynamic field that rewards persistence and expertise in sales. E-commerce and dropshipping offer opportunities to earn through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. By setting up a store and focusing on trending products, you can achieve significant profits. Successful sellers often reach $150 daily by employing effective advertising strategies. It's a scalable business model that requires dedication and market research. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, templates, courses, or stock photos can be highly profitable. Platforms such as Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable provide avenues to market your creations. Digital products offer scalable income, and with strategic marketing, you can earn $150 daily. It's an excellent way to leverage your expertise and creativity. Participating in online surveys and user testing can supplement your income. Websites like User Testing, Swagbucks, or Respondent offer opportunities to earn money by providing feedback. While earnings from surveys can be lower, combining this with other side gigs can help you reach your $150 target. It's a simple and flexible way to earn extra cash. Investing in dividend stocks or engaging in day trading can be profitable, but requires experience and capital. With knowledge and patience, you can earn significant returns. However, it's important to note that trading carries risks, especially without experience. For those well-versed in the stock market, this can be a viable way to reach your $150 daily goal.